Got the intake and carburetor off here. This is a Walbro 3-bolt pump carburetor, so it's a pretty nice carburetor. I'll be reusing that on anything else. Got the governor linkage, 2 holes. I clean some of this door out of there before it falls in the engine. And got the 2 carburetors over here. These are all 30mm. They're called Kei Hin carburetors, made in Japan. Slide carburetors. Got these little air filters with them too. And then we made these little things. So this will bolt onto the engine. Might need to do something with these covers here, but this bolts onto the engine. These holes are countersunk, so you can put Allen head bolts in there. Then you bolt the carburetor onto these studs here. And then we gotta fill out the throttle setup. Then we'll see what's next.